Oh my goodness. I had to find this little cove so I could take a break. The wind is amazing today. I'm gonna tell you what, I pick when I'm gonna row based on wind speeds. I've got a wind speed app. Have you ever misread your numbers? I misread the app. I had the dot in a different geographic location, and it said the wind was gonna be 3 miles an hour. When I corrected it, and I planned on being here today, guess what I found? It's 9 miles an hour. See, I'm getting pushed right into the side here, the rocks. No big deal, because I'm on a sup. But have you ever misread your numbers? Think about it. I was on a coaching call with one of my Mastery Plus members just the other day, I think 2 days ago, and then a second one a day later. And we talked about the importance of budgets and why they were doing so well and able to handle the pandemic. And one of those things was this, that because I taught them budgeting, and because I taught them that industry averages are bullshit, that nobody said you had to hit a 34% food cost. Where did that number come from? An industry average. Are you freaking average? So when you use average numbers for your business, you're gonna be like me, misreading your numbers. See, with a budget, we understand our prime cost, total cost of goods sold plus total labor cost, including taxes, benefits, insurance. And then we need to hit a 55% prime cost. That's what I teach, have been teaching for over almost 2 decades. If you do $850,000 or more in gross sales a year. The problem is the industry average is 65. And then more importantly, you hear experts on TV, and the TV shows say, yeah, food cost is 3 times markup. Or they say the national average is a 34% food cost. Are you average? Are you in the same street corner, same price point, same city, same quality product, same style of service? Do you have the same core values? See, that's a bullshit number. See, to hit a 55% prime cost, I could run a 25% labor cost and a 30% food cost. I could reverse it. I could run a 34% food cost, and then what would I have? I'd have 21 points left for labor. See, it really depends. Are you in a $15 minimum wage state? Well, if you are, well, we got to go to food cost. Do you understand? And what I found was, to get back to my members, the reason why they were able to weather this pandemic is because we looked at their menus, did their budget, and said, hey, you got to move from this 32%, 34% food cost down to 26. And with recipe costing cards and with our product mix from their point of sale system, we are able to do that, to execute a menu that doesn't go against their core values. We don't cheat product. We don't put shitty product on the plate. By menu engineering, having the right information, we're able to run a 55% prime cost, maybe 60 in one of the locations because the sales have dropped so much. But what they tell me is, the reason why that's magical is nobody ever told them it was possible before. Do you understand? What was possible before? Because all the industry publications, all the articles, all the experts tout a 3 times markup, a 34% food cost. Well, it's wrong. And the only way to know where you need to be is to have a budget. Hey, I'm willing to help you right now. If you want access to a video lesson on how to create a budget, step by step by step. If you want access to my Budget Builder MVP Google spreadsheet that I've had programmed to work almost like software to make budgeting easy, do me a favor, email me at david@davidscottpeters.com. Say that you saw my video on the lake and you'd like access to my budgeting tool and lesson. And I'll get it right off to you. Because if there's a time to change, it's now. You understand? We are, what is it? It's February 4th. Thursday morning, I'm out on the lake because I needed to get a little stress out, and I thought that it was a 3 mile an hour wind. I misread my numbers. Don't misread your numbers. Get a budget in place. I'll help you. Email me, davidscottpeters.com. Ask for the budget tool. Let me know you saw this video on the lake. Go out there, kick some ass. Oh, by the way, it's a lot easier rowing with the wind, and that's what it's going to be when you've got the right numbers to run your business.